Strange sounds from supernova 1987A in space. Last month the world stood still when an astonishing revelation echoed through space. At the heart of this eerie tale was Jake, a dedicated space scientist with a passion for cosmic sounds. His current mission? To decipher sounds from the farthest reaches of the universe at the renowned Space Sound Laboratory. Day after day, Jake would eagerly listen, hoping for something beyond the familiar hum of stars. His focus sharpened especially on supernova 1987A, an ancient exploded star. As days turned into nights and weeks neared their end, a chilling sound whispered from this very supernova, captivating Jake's every sense. It wasn't just any sound. It was an eerie, rhythmic beat, like the haunting heartbeat of the universe. Electrified, Jake plunged deeper, needing to understand this mysterious pulse from the supernova's remnants. Then during a dark and stormy night, the rhythm intensified. It felt as if the very walls of the laboratory would shatter. With seconds to spare, Jake rerouted the incoming frequencies, preventing a disaster that could have engulfed the whole facility. Digging further, Jake found the unimaginable. These sounds resembled patterns of lost ancient civilizations on Earth. It was as if the universe held memories, and this supernova was its echoing voice. In the end, Jake unveiled to the world the breathtaking reality. Supernova 1987, in its explosive end, had captured and was replaying distant echoes from eons past. But as he pondered on the mysteries of space, a nagging thought remained. What other secrets do the stars hold? Follow or subscribe for part 2.